Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Info with Arman. This is me Shai Sarfraz. If you are learning English and you don't know where to start and how to learn it fast, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 powerful and amazing tips that will make your English learning journey much easier than before. So let's get started. The tip number 1, practicing English every day. So you have to practice it every day. Daily practice is gonna make a big difference in your speaking. Like if it's just for 5 to 10 minutes, but you have to do it with consistency. Like you can talk to your friends, you can talk to yourself, you can talk in front of a mirror. Like you can talk about anything like your plans, your activities, your daily routine. For example, like I'm going to the market, like I feel happy because I've learned something today. So that's how you can practice it. So this tip is really gonna help you a lot. So let's jump to the next one. That is the second one. That is watch English with subtitles. So if you are unable to understand movies, English documentaries, or anything that is in English, so what you need to do, you need to start with subtitles sometime, but later on you can start without subtitles, but initially you should focus with subtitles. So it will really improve your listening skills, and it will give you much confidence, and it will help you a lot. Believe me, it's really gonna help you a lot. So let's keep on moving to third one. So learn English sentences, not words. Like if you are reading something, like reading book or listening to something, and if you are focusing on single words, that I don't think so. It isn't gonna help you a lot. But if you are focusing on the contextual meaning, that will help you a lot. Definitely, that will help you a lot. So next time, if you read anything or listen to anything, focus on the contextual meaning, not on the single word. Fourth one, that is read aloud. So whenever you are reading something, like reading, you can read storybooks, you can read magazines, you can read newspapers, whatever it is. But one thing you have to keep in your mind, that you have to read it out aloud. That will definitely improve your pronunciation skill. That will definitely, that's how you will get your mouth and brain used to this. So this is really helping you a lot if you are able to practice this at your home. So you will definitely get benefit from this. Let's jump to the fifth one, that is use English in your daily life. So like wherever you go, wherever you whatever you are doing, so make a habit, try to use English no matter if you are making mistakes, no matter what you know, but you try to make a habit, try to speak, try to use everything that you've learned in your daily speaking English. Like if you are at home and doing something, then try to talk to yourself that I'm doing this and that. Like I'm working, I'm going to the washroom, I'm going to the school, I'm just coming back from school. So that's how you can practice yourself. So try make a habit, try to utilize, try to use the words that you've learned in your school or from wherever you learned. Try to use those words in your speaking. So here's the last one, that is don't be afraid of making mistakes. I've seen so many people, they are really good speakers, they know they know, like they have the understanding of English, but you know why they can't speak English? Because they are afraid of making mistakes. So here's I'll tell you, like if you think that you are making mistakes and you are not gonna learn, so if you are making mistakes, that is the guarantee that you are learning, you are on the way to be fluent. So next time whenever you are speaking, you don't need to focus on your mistakes, because that will definitely one day you will be a fluent speaker. That is really going to help you a lot. Never ever focus on making mistakes. Focus on your speaking. So that's enough for today. Let me know in the comment which one was your favorite tip. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye.